Experts are unanimous that India is one of the world economy's brightest spots. We have low inflation, a low balance of payments current account deficit, and a high rate of growth. This is the result of good policy, not good fortune. Let me elaborate. Between 2008 and 2009, crude oil prices fell steeply from a peak of $147 per barrel to less than $50. This was a steeper fall than between 2014-15. Yet, in 2009-10, India's fiscal deficit, its current account deficit, and its inflation rate all substantially worse. And this slide was a form of higher base figure for all three. But in 2015-16, all three have improved from a lower base. Many other emerging economies also depend on imported oil. If oil prices were the driver of success, those countries would all be showing similar results. But they are not. We have not been lucky with global trade or growth. Both are low and have not helped us in terms of exports stimulus. We have not been lucky with monsoons or weather. 2015 and 2014 have both been drought years. Drought was compounded by unseasonal hailstorms. Yet, food grain production has remained much higher and inflation much lower than in the last comparable drought year, which was 2009 and 10. For India to be at the top of global growth tables is an unusual situation. Obviously, there are some who find that difficult to digest and come up with imaginative and fanciful ideas to belittle that achievement. The fact is that India's economic success is the hard-won result of prudence, sound policy, and effective management.